It's a great day at the Vanderveer Bunch.
Bottom line, Bender, how's your summer going?
Fantastic, Andrea. I've had all kinds of people come up to me and say how much they've enjoyed the hassle-free experience at Vanderveer.
Well, you guys are really great at it.
Thanks, Andrea. People also love our transparent trade-in process. We give you a guaranteed purchase price for your current vehicle even before you test drive a car.
So even if I don't buy a car from Vanderveer, you'll still write me a check?
That's exactly right. But most folks end up buying when they see how much they get for their money. Like a new Cruze for $69 a month, Malibu's for $99 a month, or a Silverado double cab for $149 a month.
What if I buy a car then decide I want something else?
No problem. You can return any vehicle with our 5-day exchange policy.
Plus, you receive the Vanderveer advantages, a warranty forever, and car washes for life. Visit Vanderveer Chevy today and get a new Cruze for just $69 per month, or shop online at vanderveer.com. Chevy, find new roads.
Come join the Vanderveer Bunch. Buy smart and leave happy.
Qualified buyers, 39-month lease, 10K miles per year. Security deposit waived, $39.95 down plus tax, title, license, and doc fees. Expires August 31st, 2015.